Cados.
And I'm Dina Cados.
I'm her dad. The StirMate is an automatic pot stirrer that self-adjusts and stirs about 6 inches to 12 inches in diameter. It stirs thick foods like oatmeal, risottos, polenta, spaghetti sauce, what have you. It runs for over 20 hours on a 9-volt battery. It is user-friendly and stores in a small space with your utensils.
It also prevents pot scorching and scorching food, and it produces creamier and tastier results.
So what's cooking here, and how long has it been cooking?
Well, we're not really cooking here. We're just showing you how it can stir thick oatmeal and pasta sauce.
And even thicker risottos and